Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to make Ubuntu full screen under VirtualBox. So you just need to follow me. So at first you just need to click on this device under VirtualBox, and after that click on insert guest addition CD image. Once it will done, it will show you one run command. So here it is, as you can see. So click on run, and after that you just need to put your password and click on authenticate. Now it will install. So if you are not getting that option, then simply go to file, then go to VirtualBox, and here you will get auto run sh. So simply you just need to run this sh file on your terminal. After that you just need to restart your PC. Just go to power off button and click on restart. So after restart you just need to right click on your desktop and click on display settings. Under display settings you will get a resolution option. So select that option and select here 1920 1440. Now keep change, and as you can see, now it is on full screen mode. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.